हॉस्टेल ब्लॉक डोनर टीवी मोहनदास पैल हातांतू आम्ही आमगेल नव एक स्कीम लॉन्च करता आसाची त्या स्किमा विशयान दोन उत्तर निमगू कामून मॅनेजमेंटान म्हाका सांगिल्लें आसा. क्षमता म्हणल्यार एक स्कीम एक इनोवेटिव ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम ಕೆಲವು ಟೈಮ್ ಪೂಡೆ ಆಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ಸಾನ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸಾಲ ಆशिल्ल्यान एक उत्तर सांगिल्लें आसा आमचीगेले समाजाची स्टुडंट्स तांणी मार्क लायक काडटाची तांगेले मार्क शीट बारी जड आसा जाल्यार तांणी इंटरव्यू येतना तांणी प्लेसमेंट एक्टिविटी येतना तांगेले कम्युनिकेशन स्किल तितलेक लायक जावन आमकां दिसना तशें देखून तांणी कॉग्निटिवली मस्त हाय आसल्यार तांकां कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्ला निमित्तान मागची पडटा आसाची दे आर नॉट इंडस्ट्री रेडी दे आर नॉट एम्प्लॉयेबल म्हूण सांगिल्लें आसा तांकां क्वॉलिफिकेशन मात्र आसा म्हणून हें मनांत दवरून घेवन आमगेल्या कमिटीन एक ते रिक्वायरमेंट सांगतना आमी एक प्लॅन घालेलो आसा. आमगेल पैकी HR ट्रेनर्स आसाची आमी एक क्षमता म्हळ्यार एक कार्यक्रम मोठो घालेलो आसा ते कशें म्हळ्यार दोन हंतार जावन ते कार्यक्रम करका म्हूण आमी लेखलां. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एक ट्रेनर्स गिल्ड म्हूण जावन ट्रेनर्सांक ट्रेन कर न्हू मागीर तांणी विंगड गांवांत दाखोवन येवच्या पुरो केरळ दाखोवन कर्नाटका दाखोवन मे फ्रॉम गोवा इवन फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्रा परहॅप्स तांकां ट्रेन कोन्न जाता री मागीर तांणी तांगेले गांवां वचून तात्ता वळी स्टुडंट्सांक एस्पेशली फायनल इयर डिग्री आर्ट्स एंड सायन्स कॉलेज आसच्या पुरो ना इवन engineering specifically perhaps engineering college students तांकां इंडस्ट्री रेडी जावच्या केलो कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स टीम बिल्डिंग स्किल्स आनी जनरल एक सोशल एबिलिटी एक आस करचे खातीर म्हणून एक ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम म्हणून आमी घालून घेतला ताका आमी क्षमता म्हणून नांव दिल्लें आसा. हे क्षमता एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी स्किल्स ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम आजी आमकां लॉन्च करका श्री TV मोहनदास पैन. श्री TV मोहनदास पैल विशयान आमकां चिकी चड नॉलेज दिवच्याक तागेले विशयान इन्फॉर्मेशन दिवच्याक हांव श्री BR भटमाम हांगा आपयतर आसा. श्री BR भटमाम जनरल मॅनेजर कॉर्पोरेशन बँक.
आयचे हॉस्टेल ब्लॉक इनॉग्रेशन फंक्शनाचे मुख्य अध्यक्ष जावन आशिल्ले प्रेसिडेंट आशिल्ले आमकां कोंकणी केंद्र प्रेसिडेंट श्री दयानंद पै मुख्य डॉनर जावन आशिल्ले श्री TV मोहनदास पै आनी तांगेले आवसू श्रीमती कमला पै आमगेले हॉस्टेल ब्लॉकाचे होल बॅकबोन म्हणून आशिल्ले रामदास कामत आनी प्रदीप पै आमगेले कोंकणी केंद्र अध्यक्ष जावन आशिल्ले कार्याध्यक्ष जावन आशिल्ले श्री बस्ती वामन शणै उपाध्यक्ष जावन आशिल्ले रघुनाथ शेट ऑफिस बेरर्स आनी हांगा तांकां येयले सर्व कोंकणी भयण बांदवांक नमस्कार करून म्हाका सांगिल्लें काम कसं म्हळ्यार मोहनदास पैक इंट्रोड्यूस करता म्हणून. इट इज ए वेरी टफ जॉब इंट्रोड्यूसिंग ए पर्सनालिटी लायक मिस्टर मोहनदास पै इज ए वेरी टफ जॉब बट आई विल ट्राय टू मेक जस्टिस फॉर वॉट हैज बीन एक्सपेक्टेड ऑफ. मोहनदास पै गोत नथिल्ल्यान ना ही हैज बीन ए founder director on the Infosys board for long. He has been a CFO, then he moved to HR and now he is in charge of banking and to software leader जावन आशिल्ले. Finacle म्हणल्यार ताजे हेड आसता HR हेड आसता and he is also a director on the board of Infosys resources, human resources, education research administration. Since 1994 he is with the Infosys and he has served as the chief financial officer. And as in the financial world, as a professional, he has been commended all over the globe. He has won national and international awards, and he was an integral part of the Infosys team that enabled first listing in the Indian registered company in the NASDAQ, and the first sponsored secondary offering of ADRs. And he was also voted as the CFO of the year in 2001 by EIU India and American Express. He also won the Best CFO in India award from Finacle Asia in 2002 and the Best Chief Financial Officer in India in the Best Managed Companies poll conducted by Asia Money in 2004. He has been active working with the regulators to improve the business ecosystem. He was a member of the Kelkar committee constituted by the Ministry of Finance, Government of India for reforming direct taxes, the non-resident taxation, committee, the high-powered committee on e-commerce and taxation. He is currently member of the SEBI Accounting Standards Committee and the empowered committee of setting up the tax information network of the Government of India. He was responsible for the what is today called this online tax payment, wherein the weakest government department considered to be the income tax is today considered the most efficient, wherein all tax collected in India on 31st March is accounted for on the same day, and on first morning Government of India is able to announce what is the total collection across the country, the whole country. And he has been the backbone in identifying this available technology and making use of it. He also works with the union and state government in the field of education, information technology and business. Mohan is also a trustee of the International Accounting Standards Committee Foundation, the body that oversees the international accounting standards. He is working with the government in decision making across the country to improve the quality of education and availability of skilled manpower. The action point he was very much focusing on that mentoring. We have people, but we are not skilled manpower. So we have to attune their standards to achieve the required expectations. And Angele, he is a Bachelor of Degree in Commerce from St. Joseph College of Commerce, Bangalore, and a Bachelor Degree in LLB from Bangalore University, and he is also a fellow Chartered Accountant. And this is as far as the professional is concerned. Now what I am going to tell you in the next couple of minutes is beyond this professionalism. His philanthropic cause is commendable. In fact, he has been responsible for a lot of people to follow him suit. What is this philanthropy is? He is a major patron of involved with the Akshaya Patra Foundation, a project that provides midday meals to over 1 million children daily across the country. This is that. And I am told he is so closely associated, as much as his various other works like Infosys, he equally ensures to ensure that the people who are getting mid-meals are daily given whatever is required. That is how this has reached a level of 1 million, and I am sure that under his dynamic leadership in the contributions on a large scale, this will continue in the days to come. Now coming back to his philanthropic causes in where we live in Mangalore, he is initially, the first role was the TV Raman Pai Hall in Mangalore, which is the backbone of Canara group of institution today. We have a TV Raman Pai and Kamala Pai Hall there, and that is one of the first assignments he has done. Thereafter he has seen, he has greatly contributed to Nalanda High School. A substantial amount has been donated, and that is how we try to rope in, and with the help of Ramdas Kamath and Pradeep Pai, we were able to bring him to Konkani Kendra. And we had made a big agenda of what is to talk to him. But he preempted all our presentations, and against our allotted time of 5 minutes, he spent more than an hour. And he has understood before coming to Konkani Kendra what is Konkani Kendra is, and he has given us a lot of work which perhaps facilitated us to move very fast. That is how Mr. Basti Vaman Jane, who is now considered to be a young man in the whole Konkani Kendra, because he was under the impression that once the building is ready, perhaps he may have a lot of relax, but he has now become more and more active than what he was done. In fact, the Konkani Kendra today's activities, if you see, are doing more than beyond what has been planned in the original plan, thanks to TV Mohandas Pai. And his action is not limited to giving suggestions. We come across a lot of people giving suggestions to us, but he not only gives suggestions, he also paves way how to do it and when to do it and where to do it. Because he gave us initially in the first presentation itself 25 points, now which he has extended to 30 points. But good part of it is that for each action point, he has a definite specific action point to be done, when to be completed, and when to close. Even take into account this hostel block. Now he has said that on such and such a date this is to be closed. I am sure that with the support by all of people on the dais, particularly with Ramdas Kamath, Mohandas Pai and Pradeep Pai, we will be able to accomplish this in a very, very, very fast scale. His speed of thought and speed of action is maintaining simultaneously. A lot of people give suggestions and speed of thought is there, but Unless the speed of thought is followed by speed of action, perhaps we will not be able to do it. That is the strength of Mr. Mohandas Pai, which has helped the Konkani Kendra to work very, very fast. Now, Mr. Vaman Chade has already told us what he has done once he visited the Konkani Kendra. What all that he has done, I don't want to wait my time, but I am sure that Konkani Kendra and the Konkani community people are going to greatly advantage this, and he has said that it is not what he has said is only a small thing, and a large thing is yet to come. We will wait for it, and we always seek his best wishes and support to the Konkani Kendra all these in the days to come. With these few words, I present to you Mr. T.V. Mohandas.